Did you know the secret to restaurant quality pizza could be hiding in your backyard? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best wood-fired pizza ovens that'll transform your pizza nights. Stick around and grab your favorite from the links in the description. At number 5 is VEVOR Multi-Fuel. Imagine pulling a perfectly crispy, restaurant-quality pizza out of your backyard oven in just 90 seconds. Sounds impossible, right? The VEVOR Multi-Fuel makes it real. Tested for real-world performance, this oven heats to 1000 degrees Fahrenheit in just 15 minutes and handles wood, pellets, charcoal, or propane, giving you smoky flavors or easy, low-maintenance cooking. Its rotatable pizza stone ensures even baking without constant flipping, a feature many other top wood-fired pizza ovens lack. Built with triple-layer insulation and stainless steel, it locks in heat efficiently, keeping your cooking consistent and safe. Sure, it's a bit heavier than some competitors, but the durability, speed, and versatility make it worth every penny. If you want stress-free, flavorful outdoor cooking, this oven is a smart, reliable choice for pizza enthusiasts. At number 4 is Mimiuo Automatic Rotating. Did you know you can bake a perfect, restaurant-quality pizza in just 1 minute? The Mimiuo Automatic Rotating Pizza Oven makes that possible. Tested for real-world performance, its fully automatic rotating stone ensures even cooking, preventing burnt edges and delivering that crisp, golden crust every time, something even the top wood-fired pizza ovens on the list can struggle with. Preheating only takes 10 to 15 minutes, and whether you choose wood or pellets, the smoky, authentic flavor elevates your pizza night. It comes complete with a 13-inch stone, pizza peel, and protective cover, making setup and cleanup effortless. While slightly bulkier than some compact ovens, the convenience, speed, and consistent results are unbeatable. If you want stress-free, perfectly cooked pizzas with that wood-fired taste, this oven is a smart, reliable choice that's truly worth every penny. On number 3 is PIZZELLO Stone. Did you know you can have a wood-fired pizza party anywhere in under a minute? The PIZZELLO Stone makes it possible, blending speed, flavor, and portability like few others on the top 5 best wood-fired pizza ovens list. Tested for real-world comfort, this dual-fuel marvel lets you switch between propane for quick dinners or wood for that authentic smoky taste. Reaching 752 degrees Fahrenheit in just 25 to 30 minutes, it bakes a perfectly crisp pizza in 60 seconds, and it's versatile enough for roasted veggies, seared steaks, and more. Its fold-up legs, detachable chimney, and carry bag make it ideal for backyard parties, camping, or tailgates. Sure, it takes a bit to preheat, but the durable double-wall stainless steel with insulation ensures even heat and easy cleaning. For anyone craving authentic flavor, speed, number 2 is Bertello Grande 16-inch. Ever imagined making authentic Neapolitan pizza in your backyard in just minutes? The Bertello Grande 16-inch brings that dream to life. Tested for real-world comfort, it heats up to 900 degrees Fahrenheit in as little as 10 minutes using gas, and adding wood chips infuses your pizzas with that irresistible smoky flavor, a step ahead of many other ovens on the top 5 best wood-fired pizza ovens list. Its dual-fuel flexibility lets you cook fast with gas or get that deep, wood-fired taste when you have time to savor. Built tough for year-round use, even in sub-zero temperatures, and with sturdy legs for stability, it's reliable and safe. While slightly bulkier than smaller models, the size ensures generous pizza capacity and even cooking. For pizza lovers seeking speed, flavor, and durability, this oven is a smart, satisfying choice that won't disappoint. Now moving to the last one is Ooni Karu 2. Can you really bake a 16-inch, restaurant-quality pizza in just 60 seconds? The Ooni Karu 2 proves it's possible. Tested for real-world comfort, this multi-fuel oven lets you fire up with wood or charcoal for that irresistible smoky flavor, or add the optional gas burner for ultimate flexibility, a feature that sets it apart from other ovens on the top 5 best wood-fired pizza ovens list. Reaching 950 degrees Fahrenheit in just 15 minutes, it creates an authentic Neapolitan-style crust with that perfect char. Its spacious 17-inch cooking surface and 5.4-inch internal height handle generous pizzas and versatile dishes effortlessly. With the innovative digital temperature hub and Bluetooth connectivity via Ooni Connect, you can track heat precisely for consistent results. Slightly heavier than compact models, But if you want speed, precision, and authentic flavor, this oven is a confident, smart choice for serious pizza enthusiasts. If I had to pick a winner among these, it's the Ooni Karu 2. It combines speed, versatility, and authentic flavor like no other. Multi-fuel capability lets you choose wood, charcoal, or gas, while the spacious cooking surface handles large pizzas and versatile dishes. Its smart temperature tracking ensures consistent results every time. Compared to others, it offers the perfect balance of performance, convenience, and authentic wood-fired taste, making it the ultimate choice for serious pizza lovers who want both speed and flavor in one reliable oven. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 best wood-fired pizza oven. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.